This is the central control unit. This is the hard chamber. This is the entrance panel pump. We need to link the pump with the chamber. First step, insert power cord and power the pump. Second step, insert pump tube into chamber. To disconnect the pump tube, push the collar. Third step, insert sensor cord. Give it a gentle twist. After the pump is connected, connect the CCU. Align U-shaped cut with a notch on the connector. Twist it up, you are all set. To use the chamber, first switch on the CCU. Second, set session time and start CCU. Enter the chamber, slide shut the entrance panel. Panel pump will sense the panel in proper place and push it up, sealing off the chamber. When finished with treatment, open pressure releasing valve. The panel will drop down. Entrance panel will drop if chamber is depressurized. Depressurization is normally done by open pressure releasing valve from inside or outside. If pressure releasing valve does not work, push pressure regulators from inside. You can also depressurize the chamber and drop the entrance panel. Panel is lifted by airbag actuated by pump. If the airbag cannot release air properly, panel cannot be opened. This is solution 1. This is solution 2.